spring screaming for water. When you jump up and look, there is water.
Alright guys, so the rain of fall and thing, light I shut off every minute. We did do some crafting a while ago, but the rain of fall and me do work outside, so me have to put that on pause. So I'm say, alright, why not do some TikToks? So I'm just gonna show you behind the scenes, like how I prepare myself and rehearse the lines and so on thing and see. But now going on a character clothes, I just rehearse the lines now, and then when I get it, I just change my clothes and get into character mode. Meaning I put on my clothes and get ready to shoot. Alright, so watch this now, Alright. Yeah, ready.
Left here from me at 29 minutes on Light Street on the wall.
We were sleeping, ear print screaming. When it's there's water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Just on left here from me at 2 months. See? So me a fake. Sleeping. We were sleeping, ear print screaming. When print screaming, we jump up and look, there's water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Come here at Sunlight Street from me at 2 months old. Just born out from my mother. Left here from me at 29, me left Sunlight Street. So here what? Me never have been seen my house flooded out yet. Or any house in the trumpet area in Sunlight Street flooded out yet. Never been seen it yet. Me try from home and me never see it yet. So anybody see them lie because me never see it yet. Phone everything. One back everybody. Name brand dress, name brand and name brand car. I should want to go
We were sleeping, ear print screaming. When spring screaming to water, we jump up and look, there is water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will walk up everything. I'm from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From here 2 months old, just one more than my mother. Left here from me at 29, me left Sunlight Street on here. We never have been seen my yard flood out yet. I ain't house in the car with here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never been seen this yet. I dare you before my name, I will never see it yet. So anybody see them love, I will never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop full of everything. A 5 grand flood, I want back everybody. Near brand furniture, near brand bed, and near brand car. Everybody flood out, I want back everything. Baby can't get many changes. And she water and holy water. The baby from one baby, the baby will come up. She flood out to it.
She flood out too? She flood out too? Ear print screaming.
When spring screaming to water, when I jump up and look, there is water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will want back everything. I'm from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From here 2 months old, just one more than my mother. Left here from me at 29, me left Sunlight Street on here. We never have been seen my yard flood out yet. I ain't house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never been seen this yet. I dare you before my name, I will never see it yet. So anybody see them love, I will never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop full of everything. A 5 grand flood, I want back everybody. Near brand furniture, near brand bed, and near brand car. Everybody flood out, I want back everything. Baby can't get many changes. And she water, holy water. The baby from one baby, the baby will come up. She flood out to it.
She flood out to it.
We were sleeping, ear print screaming. When spring screaming to water, we jump up and look, there is water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will walk back everything. I'm from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From here 2 months.
sleeping, hear Prince screaming. When jump up and look, there's water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Olivia, a Sunlight Street from me at 2 months old. Just born out of my mother. Left here from me at 29. Me left Sunlight Street for era. Me never have seen my yard flood yet. I ain't house in the carpet area in Sunlight Street flood yet. Me never have been seen my right. So everybody from my meditate, I never see it yet. So anybody see them love because me never see it yet. Everything. Laptop, phone, everything. I find plunge to load and I want back everybody. Name brand, and name brand car. I shit water, holy water. The ending there. Ending. Jump up and look, there's water. Many water like Esha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. I'm from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From here 2 months old. Just one more than my mother. Left here from me at 29. I left Sunlight Street for Eva. I never have been seen my yard flood out yet. I ain't house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never been seen this yet. I dare you before my name tip. I never see it yet. So anybody see them love? I will never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. I fight for a blood. I want back everybody. Near brand furniture, near brand bed, and near brand car. Everybody flood out. I want back everything. Baby can't get many drive this. And she water, holy water. The baby from my baby, then the baby will go home. She flood out to it. We were sleeping. We were sleeping. Here, Prince screaming. When's Prince screaming to water? When I jump up and look, there is water. Many water like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. I'm from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From here 2 months old. Just one more than my mother. Left here from me at 29. I left Sunlight Street for Eva. I never have been seen my yard flood out yet. I ain't house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never been seen this yet. I dare you before my name tip. I never see it yet. So anybody see them love? I will never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. I fight for a blood. I want back everybody. Near brand furniture, near brand bed, and near brand car. Everybody flood out. I want back everything. Baby can't get many drive this. And she water, holy water. The baby from my baby, then the baby will go home. She flood out to it. We were sleeping. Alright.
We were sleeping.
So the more I practice it, the more I get it, right? So I'm going to change my clothes now and try rose ear low and thing, so the hair not really, some things then I'll get perfectly for some characters in films or on videos. So I try as best to go close to the characters as possible. But Rose here in the video low. I don't know if you have a yellow shirt or yellow blouse. I know I have a black strap thingy. So we are gonna do it. We are gonna do it. Breathe. Alright, Rose. Rose actually, something like so. Alright guys, so my shirt big. Fear one kind of sucker on Panara and thing. She kind of have her, as I say, and here's a tear, but me not gonna tear my gloves. As I said, me try as best for thing there. Alright, so and then this I know. Yeah. Alright, mama. So this now, I want dress guys, but I got tight because in the video I just shouldn't show her foot or hip or this or waist or this, so I just the torso area. So I'm going to go somewhere that has lighting. Here so can work, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna forget my bag. So, be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to get into the video right now. I am in character mode. I've on my costume and thing already. So this is the end of behind the scenes with one of the TikTok videos. This is behind the scenes with one of the TikTok videos that I'm gonna do right now. So you're gonna see the actual video next lesson. Yeah. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and be safe, be warm, don't be a brat. Bye.
Laptop. We were sleeping.
Yeah, and sleep.
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and
we were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, the water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. From Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From your 2 months old.
From Olivia, a Sunlight Street. Eddie.
We were sleeping.
yeah, and
We were sleeping. Water. Like. We were sleeping.
yeah, and
We were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, the water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Come from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From your 2 months old, just found out from my mother. Yes, yeah. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street. So here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never have been seen this yet. I dare you before my maiden take and we never see it yet. Tell anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. We were sleeping.
yeah, and
We were sleeping, hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, the water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Come from Olivia, a Sunlight Street. From your 2 months old, just one out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street. So here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I dare you before my maiden take and we never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out and want back everything.
So,
baby can't catch meningitis. A shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew, baby will come up. She flood out to it.